So let's install Pycharm on our computer. That is the next step to go about. Pycharm is an IDE which allows us to write Python codes and compile it or test it in the same software. So click on any of your favorite browser. Then let's go to google.com. Now let's search for Pycharm community download. Pycharm community download. Now, since we want the community version, click on this Pycharm professional versus community, or you can just click on the first link. Now, this will return you to the professional version, and we want the community version. So we scroll down a little bit, and we have the community version here. So simply click on this download for the community version, and this should download it onto your computer for you. Now in this case, this is 464 megabyte. So you simply have to download it and you follow the installation instructions. To install it, I already have one downloaded onto my computer, which I can go through the installation process with you guys. So let's do that. Now I have Pycharm, and this is a professional version which I have already downloaded, and I already have it installed already. So you could see it is actually telling me I have a current version of Pycharm installed. Do I wish to continue? So I just click on yes, click on next. It's going to be the same thing. So I have it to be in this directory, right? So I'll just click on next, and it wants me to delete Pycharm first. So in this case, I'm not going to do that, and I'll just click on this. I'll select Pycharm and I'll click on install, click on install. And this is going to install Pycharm onto your computer for you. Now let's talk a little bit about Pycharm. Well, Pycharm is an IDE which stands for Integrated Development Environment, and IDE gives you the space to write your codes and compile your codes at the same time, or run or test your code at the same time. I know you guys have heard across VS Code and other IDs, right? But Pycharm is purposely designed for Python, and there is a huge number of Python developers who are still using Pycharm, including I myself. Now, Pycharm was developed by JetBrains, and JetBrains are the mastermind behind some certain softwares, even including Android Studio. So if you, whilst you are diving into Python, you have to consider Pycharm as an IDE you wish to use. So let's wait for the installation to complete, and you will be good to go. Now, after the installation process, you can simply click on finish, and now you can go to start, and you will see Pycharm right here. You can click on it, and as soon as you click on it, it's going to launch for you right here, and it's going to ask you some simple steps to pass through, and you will be good to go, right? So if you are using the community version, you can probably use the community version. Now let me show you how the community version looks like. So I have Pycharm, which I have the community version here. Now with the community version, it works like the same thing. So you just have to click on I confirm, continue, and it will open Pycharm for you. Now, I wrote some commands here and probably compile it at the same time in here, and you could see it is running. All right, we will dive into this and we will be using Pycharm ID. All right, thank you very much, and let's meet on our next video. Have a nice day.